Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be talking about. I did a video of me unboxing the Sephora box, and then I got the Moonchild and the Shade and Light palette. So today I'm actually going to be talking about the Moonchild palette because it's beautiful. And so for this, I already pre-swatched all the colors because I don't want to get all my fingers dirty again. So here are all of them. Aww. Dude, they look freaking beautiful. That green one looks like it's glowing. Okay, so the way my arm is going, it goes blue eye, star, purple horseshoe, and then it kind of goes like that. So it's kind of like reading. So you go boom, 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 and then boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna show you guys again. Here, let me actually read it for you guys. Hold on. We have blue ice, star, purple horseshoe, pink heart, lucky clover, and blue moon. And then for me, I really like purple horseshoe, and it kind of looks similar to blue moon, except it's like a little bit whiter. So if you're darker skinned than me, this one's probably gonna look ashy on you. So I'd probably go with this one. This green one though, I did not get it because of the green one, but I'm really liking that one. The pink one, that one's like, the pink one looks like it's for like paler skin, but you do you, you know? And then this last one, I think it's called Blue. Oh, I was gonna say Blue Moon. Looks a little bit like in between silver and blue. And then this one, Star. It looks like it's like pure silver. Um, I don't know if it's my own skin, but it kind of looks like it has like, I don't know if it's gold or not, or maybe it's just my skin color. But yeah, this pink one, the pink heart, it's like white in certain angles, and then when you turn, it's pink. So like, if you're white, it's gonna look what's it called? It's just gonna look like white and pink. So um, yeah. So when I opened it, I actually got a little trigger happy and started putting it all over my face. You can see it. Yeah, you can see that. That what I'm wearing on my cheek right now is actually purple horseshoe. Let's see if it looks cooler with like a flashlight on. No, like that. Yeah, I like this one, purple horseshoe. Put a little bit down my nose, and then I put some on my cupid's bow, and then I put some on my chin. Yeah, cool. And then um, I feel like I want to put lucky clover on this side because I don't have anything on this side. Yeah, just my natural grease, you know. So yeah, I'm actually gonna get the. What is it? Oh, wrong brush. I'm gonna go with the Kat Von D highlighter brush in number 4, and let's see. I'm gonna go into Lucky Clover right here. I like to go a little bit in my eyebrow and kind of just like lightly, and then when I start hitting the skin, I push it a little bit harder and then kind of just sweep it. Let's see if that even did anything. Huh. Well, green is like kind of in between yellowish, and my skin is kind of like yellow or like oh, there it is. Wow. Hold on, let me look at it in a mirror because I don't know what that's actually looking like. Hmm. I don't know. It looks pretty. It looks cooler than I thought it was gonna be. You know. Let me turn. Dang, I need a better light. Yeah, you can barely like this light is like white or yellow or whatever, so it's like kind of making it look like the same as my skin or whatever. So yeah, you just go like that. And then with a different brush, because I hate when you just see like that streak right here. So I kind of blend it out this way and blend it out. Basically, just blend out the edges. So like you're not left with anything that's like too weird, you know. Ooh, I want to put on my shoulder. Let's see. Let's go with a little bit of. Dude, I think, not gonna lie, like I like Jeffree Star, but have you guys seen the, what is it, the Platinum Ice palette? It deadass looks like this one. Oh, heck yeah. You gotta do that Tati shoulder glow, you know? Oh, it's kind of like mixed with the purple horseshoe. Yeah, dude, this one's cool. Um, oh, okay. So when you like move it in the light, you can see like all the little glitters, I want to say, that are in there. The green one has like yellow and green. The blue ice has like white and blue. The stars just looks like pure silver. The purple horseshoe is like white with purple with blue. Pink heart is like white with pink, maybe yellow, and then blue moon is like pink with like a dark purple, kind of like the color soul in the Norvina palette. Kind of looks like that, but a little bit lighter than soul. So yeah, that is the. I don't even know if this is a review. It's just I want to show it off. But yeah, there's that. I want to put more. I'm gonna take it off anyways. You know, I gotta wash my face. Okay. I think I coated the brush. Oh my god, you can see it. Ah. And then after that, you just blend it all. Oh my god, yep. You can see that. It kind of looks gold a little bit, huh? Hmm. Cool, cool. And you can see. Nah, you can't tell. But, yep, that is that for you guys. Cool. Alright, one of my other videos should be the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. We'll see which one comes out first, so I'll see you guys later.